pondered weak and weary over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore. While I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping upon my chamber door. 'Tis some visitor, I muttered, tapping at my chamber door. This it is, and nothing more. Distinctly I remember, it was in the bleak December, and each separate dying ember wrote its ghost upon the floor. Eagerly I wished the morrow, vainly I had tried to borrow from my books of cease of sorrow, sorrow for the lost Lenore, for the rare and radiant maiden whom the angels name Lenore, nameless here, forevermore. Silken, sad, and certain rustling of each purple curtain thrilled me, filled me with fantastic terrors never felt before, so that now to still the beating of my heart I stood repeating, just a visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. Some late visitor entreating entrance at my chamber door. This it is, and nothing more. Presently my soul grew stronger, hesitating then no longer. Sir, said I, or madam, truly your forgiveness I implore. But the fact is I was napping, and so gently you came rapping, and so faintly you came tapping at my chamber door, that I scarce was sure I heard you. Here I opened wide the door, darkness there, and nothing more. That darkness peering, long I stood there wondering, fearing, doubting, dreaming dreams no mortal ever dared to dream before. But the silence was unbroken, and the darkness gave no token, and the only word there spoken was the whispered word Lenore. This I whispered, and the wind murmured back the word Lenore, merely this, and nothing more. Then into my chamber turning, on my soul within me burning, soon came a tapping somewhat louder, louder than before. Surely, said I, surely there is something at my window lattice. Let me see them what they're at us, and this mystery explore. Let my heart be still a moment, and this mystery explore. 'Tis the wind, and nothing more. Open here I flung the shutter, and with many a flirt and flutter, in there stepped a stately raven of the saintly days of yore. Not the least obeisance maybe, not a second stopped or stayed me, but with mien of lord and lady, perched upon my chamber door, perched upon the busted palace just above my chamber door, perched and sat, and nothing more. Then this ebony bird beguiling my sad fancy into smiling, by the grave and stern decorum of the countenance he wore. Let thy crest be short unshaven, thou said I are sure no craven, ghastly grim and ancient raven, wandering from the nightly shore. Tell me what thy lordly name is on their night's Plutonian shore. Quoth the raven, nevermore. Much I marveled this ungainly thou to hear discourse so plainly, though his answer little meaning, little relevancy bore. For we cannot help agreeing that no sublunary being ever yet was blessed with seeing bird above his chamber door, bird or beast upon the sculpture busters above his chamber door, with such a name as nevermore. But the raven sitting lonely on his pallid bust spoke only that one word, as if his soul in that one word he did outpour. Nothing further than he uttered, not a feather then he fluttered, till I scarcely more than uttered, other friends have flown before. On the morrow he will leave me, as my hopes have flown before. Then the bird said, nevermore. Startled by the stillness broken by reply so aptly spoken, doubtless said I, what it utters is its only stock in store, caught from some unhappy master whom a merciful disaster followed fast and followed faster, till his home's one burden bore, till the dirges of his hopes that melancholy burden bore of nevermore.